Good morning, students. See, today again we are continuing with the chapter 14, the elements of the concept of marketing only. But now we are going to see about the definition. So, the definition given by G.B. Gills. So, he has defined that there are certain functions which plays an important role in marketing. So, marketing research, marketing planning, marketing development, advertisement, sales promotion, and selling. So that's what he has mentioned in his functions of marketing. So, functions of exchange and functions of physical supply. And apart from that, facilitating functions. So, these three are called as functions of marketing. So again, I repeat, the functions of marketing are the functions of exchange and the functions of physical supply, then the facilitating functions. So first one, what are the functions of physical supply? So the physical supply means it can be divided into two. One is the transport plays a main role and the another one is storage and warehousing. See, transportation means you know very well it is very, very important. Almost all the goods which has been after production should be shifted to from go down to the consumer place. So where the transportation plays an important role in that. Then it creates a place utility also. Then the next one is storage and warehousing. So both the meaning you have learnt in the 11th standard commerce also. Storage means what? Preserving the goods in a good condition. Warehouse means it's a place where the goods can be stored for throughout the year. Then we have the different types of warehouses. One is which can be controlled by the government, that is public warehouse. Private warehouse, bonded warehouse. Bonded warehouse means a warehouse which is situated nearby to the harbor. That type of warehouses are called as bonded warehouse. Then the next function is called as facilitating function. So what and all plays an important here? See, financing, risk bearing, market information, standard, grading, branding, packing, pricing. Okay, va? So financing, the first one. So finance plays an important role here. So we have short term, medium term, and long term finance facility. Then risk bearing. What are the different types of the risk? Time risk, place risk, competition risk, risk of change in demand, risk arising natural calamities, human risk, political risk. Then next, market information. Market information means, see, a customer is liking some products only. It is a duty of a marketer to find out the opinion, taste, preference, and all. Then standardization to maintain a good quality of a commodity. So, based on the size, color, taste, everything. Then grading means standardized product. Branding. Branding gives a symbol to a product. Then packing, creating of goods before distribution, packed in a packets or containers, protect them against breakage. Then pricing. Pricing also plays an important role here. So because important decisions made to increase or to decrease. So there are certain relevant factors which must always affect the price. Then next we are going the marketing mix. So what is called as marketing mix? Marketing mix means it always consists of 4 P's. What are the 4 P's? Place, price, product, promotion. So all these 4 are included here. So this is called as marketing mix. Now first one, product. So product is the main element of marketing. Without a product, we cannot do marketing services. According to Philip Kotler, he said that a personal attention, acquisition, consumption, use are to satisfy a want or need. Then price. Price plays a value of a product which can be expressed in monetary terms. Then what are the factors affecting the price? There are internal factors, marketing, marketing strategy, organizational consideration, cost, organization objectives. Then external factors, demand, competition, customers, suppliers, legal factors. Then place. An excellent quality product with the competition price structure backed up by the promotional activities. Now next is promotion. So promotion means price cannot achieve a desired success. So we have certain different media also. So that is what where I'm showing this advertising means. We need internet connection, television, radio, printed form, newspaper time, billboard, magazine. So why advertising plays an important role means it is also comes under the promotion. Then marketing mix matters. Price, product, place, promotion. Then modern marketing mix are performance program, people and product. So everywhere they are considering the 4 P's. So again, one more time, just to go through what and all we are completed. We have started with the marketing mix meaning and the various factors and all we have discussed today. Okay, students, thank you.